2 kitchens, 2 chefs. Best recipe wins. It's plant forward, plate off. Today's first chef, Chef Duffy, who's making Omega Meatballs.
For this, we're gonna do a California walnut crumble. And to do that, we're gonna take some beans, some California walnuts, some cooked quinoa, spices and herbs, chia to bind, pulse them in the food processor. We're gonna ball them up and we're gonna brown them in a pan. Look at that, we've got a simple plant-based, clean label meat alternative that works just as easy for pasta, chili, tacos, and burgers.
Yum! Now to our second chef, Chef Frank, who's making his famous lab loaf.
With a simple blend of dipotassium phosphate and magnesium dioxide, this mystery synthetic will bring tears to your eyes, quite literally. Remember, just because something is made in a lab doesn't mean it's bad, or a monster, or that you've got the right to tease him because he's got bolts coming out of his neck. Janice.
For more plant-forward, clean ingredient recipe inspiration, visit walnuts.org.